Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi, did you know Paris a daily text tomorrow?
Wow, I'm not ready. I just brought out from you, Sinta.
Yeah.
So Tony, let's study together, okay?
How can we study together tonight? It's so heavy yesterday.
Yeah.
Yes, it does matter. The important thing is to ready it.
But I only tonight we rain weather in can be done.
Yeah.
If we have the intention, everything can be done.
But I'm not sure if it will be possible tomorrow.
Yeah.
Never mind. Let's go home, shower, eat, then go to my house later.
How about we just go straight to your house so we can house more time?
Yeah.
But do you haven't showered yet?
Yes, you can shower at home. The weather is clean, so you might as well do everything free.
I just follow what you say.
Come on.